Hey guys, today I'm just going to be showing you this EUCOS tripod stand. So guys, I bought this for myself because I'm going to be doing a travel blog and I want to, have a good portable tripod for my smartphone. So let me go ahead and get this out of the box here and let's get some hands on and see. Hopefully I made a good choice here. All right, so let's get the main tripod out here. That's actually bigger than I thought it was going to be, but it looks, it's a nice size device here. So let's spread the legs out here and see how it looks. So that's a nice stand there. Okay. And it extends out. That's a good extension. Whoa, wow, man, that's quite a bit of an extension there, guys. I was not expecting it to go out that far, but it did. That's good, and of course you don't have to use it as a tripod. You can slide that up, and so that's like a really long selfie stick there. Let's see, it's at least 5 feet, and it's kind of tension. You don't unscrew it or clamp it. It's just slow. It takes some force to pull it out and put it back, so that's good. And then you just put that baby back in there. This is your locking ring for your tripod. You have to loosen this, and the little legs kind of clip into spot here. Got to pull them out. Put that tripod down. You can put it like that. Once you tighten that up, it's not going to move anymore. So I'm actually impressed so far with the little tripod. Let me go ahead and see what else they sent here. Okay, so here we have a phone holder. And it's a screw type, so it really can hold your phone good. Instead of like the spring type, sometimes the phone will fall out. This one will screw down tight on your phone. And it looks like it goes pretty wide there. I mean, I got pretty big hands. Look at that. That's going to hold a pretty nice sized phone there. Okay, let me screw that back down like that. Okay, you have an adjustment here on the back. And so you can, it kind of has some clips where it kind of goes into spot like that, and then you get it where you want, and then you tighten that down. Okay, we have a cold shoe for, say, like a flash or something that's on this top, where you can put a flash or a microphone or something on there. Of course, there's your screw, so it's going to go on here like this. And the tripod has a little deal right here, so you don't have to twist the top. You just screw that sucker on like that. So that's good. Let's see what else we got. We've got a little Bluetooth trigger so that you can remotely trigger it to record. We have like a GoPro mounting base. You can use that if you want to put a GoPro on here. You don't have to use the camera mount. You can actually just put a GoPro on here, and a little carry bag. Okay, so your little Bluetooth thing, that's going to clip right over here in the side, so you always have that handy if you need it. And let's go ahead and put it inside this bag. Let's go ahead and attach this and see if the whole thing will go down in the bag all at once. Yep, sure enough, you can leave the camera mount on there, throw that down in there, and then you can just zip this thing up like so, and you're ready to go. Sling that on your shoulder, and you got your tripod with you. That's pretty cool, guys. I'm really kind of impressed with this little tripod. It was really highly rated. So guys, I can't wait to get this out in the field and start using it. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit that thumbs up under the video to let me know it's helped you out. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.